سورة المعارج.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سأل سائل بعذاب واقع.
A questioner asked concerning a torment about to befall.
للكافرين ليس له دافع.
Upon the disbelievers, which none can avert.
من الله ذي المعارج.
From Allah, the Lord of the ways of ascent.
تعرج الملائكة والروح إليه في يوم كان مقداره 50,000 سنة.
The angels and the Ruh ascend to him in a day, the measure whereof is 50,000 years.
فاصبر صبرا جميلا.
So be patient with a good patience.
إنهم يرونه بعيدا.
Verily, they see the torment afar off.
ونراه قريبا.
But we see it quite near.
يوم تكون السماء كالمهل.
The day that the sky will be like the boiling filth of oil.
وتكون الجبال كالعهن.
And the mountains will be like flakes of wool.
ولا يسأل حميم حميما.
And no friend will ask a friend about his condition.
يبصرونهم يود المجرم لو يفتدي من عذاب يومئذ ببنيه.
Though they shall be made to see one another, the criminal, sinner, disbeliever would desire to ransom himself from the punishment of that day by his children,
وصاحبته وأخيه,
and his wife and his brother,
وفصيلته التي تؤويه,
and his kindred who sheltered him,
ومن في الأرض جميعا ثم ينجيه,
and all that are in the earth, so that it might save him.
كلا إنها لظى.
By no means. Verily, it will be the fire of hell,
نزاعة للشوى.
taking away the headskin,
تدعو من أدبر وتولى.
calling all such as turn their backs and turn away their faces from faith,
وجمع فأوعى.
and collect wealth and hide it.
إن الإنسان خلق هلوعا.
Verily, man was created very impatient.
إذا مسه الشر جزوعا.
Irritable when evil touches him,
وإذا مسه الخير منوعا.
and niggardly when good touches him.
إلا المصلين.
Except those who are devoted to prayers,
الذين هم على صلاتهم دائمون.
those who remain constant in their prayers,
والذين في أموالهم حق معلوم.
and those in whose wealth there is a recognized right.
للسائل والمحروم.
For the beggar who asks, and for the unfortunate who has lost his property and wealth.
والذين يصدقون بيوم الدين.
And those who believe in the day of recompense.
والذين هم من عذاب ربهم مشفقون
And those who fear the torment of their Lord.
إن عذاب ربهم غير مأمون
Verily, the torment of their Lord is that before which none can feel secure.
والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون
And those who guard their chastity,
إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين
except from their wives or whom their right hands possess, for they are not blameworthy.
فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون
But whosoever seeks beyond that, then it is those who are trespassers.
والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون
And those who keep their trusts and covenants.
والذين هم بشهاداتهم قائمون
And those who stand firm in their testimonies.
والذين هم على صلاتهم يحافظون
And those who guard their prayers well.
أولئك في جنات مكرمون
Such shall dwell in the gardens, honored.
فما للذين كفروا قبلك مهطعين
So what is the matter with those who disbelieve, that they hasten to listen from you in order to deny you?
عن اليمين وعن الشمال عزين
Sitting in groups on the right and on the left.
أيطمع كل امرئ منهم أن يدخل جنة نعيم
Does every man of them hope to enter the paradise of delight?
كلا إنا خلقناهم مما يعلمون
No, that is not like that. Verily, we have created them out of that which they know.
فلا أقسم برب المشارق والمغارب إنا لقادرون
So, I swear by the Lord of all the points of sunrise and sunset in the east and the west, that surely we are able.
على أن نبدل خيرا منهم وما نحن بمسبوقين
To replace them by others better than them, and we are not to be outrun.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون
So leave them to plunge in vain talk and play about, until they meet their day which they are promised.
يوم يخرجون من الأجداث سراعا كأنهم إلى نصب يوفضون
The day when they will come out of their graves quickly as racing to a goal.
خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة ذلك اليوم الذي كانوا يوعدون
With their eyes lowered in fear and humility, ignominy covering them. That is the day which they were promised.